What happened?
Earthquake.
Earthquakes. Because sometimes we have tremors, so. And most of our glass in the building, they are designed to withstand up to a category 5 hurricane. They are
Tempered or laminate?
tempered glass.
Oh, okay.
Alright. I don't know if the generator will start, but I will give. I can carry them in here.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, remember, do not touch anything within the generator room. It might start, don't get scared. It's very loud, it's crying, but I just wanted to see the room, alright?
So you notice your generator, transformer, diesel tank. Is that typical thing that you have to live in a big building? You have to have space to do so.
Right.
24,000 volts power, you have to transform it down to 450 volts. That's what that transformer is. You have the generator, and you have to have diesel storage. So you have to find where you're going to put it.
Right. And it depends on the usage of the building also, as she was saying. Determines the capacity of the tank. So if you have a hurricane, it depends on the usage of the building and how long you want this building to run until power is restored. So this one, I think we can go up to 7 days.
Wow.
Running.
The whole building?
The whole building, yeah.
Wow.
But, what you have to take into consideration also is that during that time, some of the services, some of the units or equipment won't be running. It's just bare minimum will be operating. Huh? Yes.
And a big plus
can
of this
imagine.
building, the major thing that draws current is the compressor, the air conditioning compressor, and that's not here. That's away. So the load, the energy per square foot for this building is significantly less
Yes,
than
that's
a
true.
typical office building.
Right.
A typical building like this.
So when
Because,
go ahead.
no.
So when the air comes over, we have chill beams. So we use chill beams to cool the spaces. So the chill beams are active chill beams, right? And they are all mechanical. So they are again energy efficiency. All mechanical. The chill beams are not electrically operated. No motors in them.
So the only thing that really draws funds to these buildings are the pumps and the air handling unit. And they don't really draw, when they compare to like a big system like this, the capacity might be 200 tons. 200 tons, these are only 400, say 400 tons. That's a lot. Like with these motors, there's a pump and air handling is significant.
Do you have like a number in your head of the average kilowatt hours per year for the building?
Per year? No. I don't know per year. But for the month, I think it's like 23, I don't know, 23, so I don't remember. They take it, but I just don't remember right now.
Alright.
Yeah, what was I going to say? Oh, so the pumps that she was mentioning also, all the pumps are variable speed. So you know that's an energy efficiency right there. Alright, so this now our generator, so this is the generator. We can come closer so you can see. So this helps with the exercise. So the generator exercises. So it's important that the generator exercise. So when not in use, it works it starts up on its own every one day a week.
Okay.
It starts up, right? So that you build your battery and the generator is working. So even that it goes, so the generator is to the back. As I say, it can peak, but just try not to touch, and if it starts, don't run. Turn on the light switch on. You're not supposed to. Yeah, you can go. Oh.
Dang. This is huge.
It's a check engine.
Yeah, it looks like if it starts like a friend.
Yeah, it's like it started a lot longer. So this is the generator that runs a large unit, a 13 unit.
This is what you said, we call it exercise once a week.
Yeah, once a week. So every Wednesday. Today's Wednesday?
Jesus.
We started up this morning.
Oh, okay.
That's what it is. Nice.
Yeah. So there's an alarm, so if it doesn't start, an alarm will tell me that it didn't start. Alright? So you have to check, you go for servicing, you have to check your battery, you have to check the fuel. Just like